Hey, welcome to my extreme cooking video fire sale review. Today I'm going to show you a powerful PLR video bundle that lets you create viral cooking content, resell premium videos, or build a brand effortlessly, all with full PLR rights. And here's the exciting part. You don't need filming, editing skills, or a big budget to get started. Just download, use, or sell these high-quality cooking videos as your own. Stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what's inside before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and digital products. I review the best tools and PLR packages to help you make money online. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize profits with the Extreme Cooking Video Bundle. Check the description before they're gone. What is Extreme Cooking Video Fire Sale? Extreme Cooking Video Fire Sale is a massive collection of 330 plus high-quality unrestricted PLR cooking videos that you can use, edit, sell, or brand as your own. It's designed for content creators, marketers, and business owners who want to cash in on the food and cooking niche without filming a single video. And the best part? No watermarks, 100% yours to use. PLR license, resell, edit, or bundle them as your own. High quality footage, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or product creation. This isn't just another random video pack. This is a real asset you can use to build a brand or sell for profits. Standout features that caught my eye: 330 plus cooking videos, rustic, aesthetic, outdoor, cinematic, and more. HD quality, professionally shot, stunning visuals. Multiple monetization options, resell, create digital products, or grow your audience. Perfect for social media and video marketing. Use them for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or courses. How it works? Super simple. 1. Download your cooking videos. 2. Edit or add branding, optional. 3. Upload to social media. Sell as PLR or use in content. No need for cameras or editing skills. Just plug and play. Upgrades and OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll see some upgrade options. Here's a quick rundown. Extreme Cooking Video Deluxe, $32.90, 1,000 plus more cooking videos, even more variety. Bonus Playcraft, Deluxe Lite and Kids. Viral Video FE Field PLR license, sell and profit. Buddy Coloring Pack Deluxe Lite, $27, 500 plus. Printable coloring pages, dragons, fairies, nature, etc. Perfect for resale, KDP, or Printables Business Bundle. Doodles Coloring Book, $49, massive collection of doodle-style coloring pages. Best PLR Bundle, $99, multiple PLR products in one, coloring books, video content, and more. If you want to scale your business and maximize profits, these are 100% worth checking out. What I love about Extreme Cooking: Video Fire Sale, beginner friendly, no editing or filming required. Huge variety, outdoor, rustic, aesthetic, and cinematic styles. Full monetization rights, sell as your own or use in content. One-time price, no monthly fees. What could be better? While it's a fantastic video bundle, if you're looking for voiceovers or step-by-step cooking tutorials, this may not be for you. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're looking for an easy way to create viral food content, grow your brand, or sell high-quality cooking videos, then Extreme Cooking Video Fire Sale is a no-brainer. Click the link below to grab it now before the price goes up. Remember, my exclusive bonuses are waiting inside Warrior Plus. Get instant access and start monetizing cooking content today. Thanks for checking out my Extreme Cooking Video Fire Sale review. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Got questions? Ask in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you in the next one. Blast off!